look a hot mess, but they're doing road work up here by our house, like right outside our driveway. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get back in. And I look absolutely terrible. I have to put my hair up because my windows are down because my AC is broken. But I don't know if I can be able to get in my driveway today, so we shall see. Let's see. They did road work before, but they messed up the road that they were doing so bad that they have to come in and redo it. It's so annoying. It's like just a crack where they put in new concrete. It's a crack running down the road now, like where the water runs down, and it's almost like the Grand Canyon of a crack. I'm gonna go real fast. Oh, this was a mistake. See, I knew this was gonna happen. So you can see the tractor, so I won't even be able to get in here. Oh, that's annoying. Now we gotta wait. Oh, they're tearing up the road again. I gotta be able to. Can I get in here? Sorry, guys. Can I get in here? This is atrocious. I'm gonna be doing this all week again. Let's see. See, they're tearing it up. There's no road there now. So, yep. But my driveway is luckily still there, so I was able to get in. But it's just a nightmare. They already did this a couple weeks ago, and they messed up the road. So I wonder if they got a better work team now. Anyway, I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Alright, I look less like a toe. I took my hair down. Can I put this here? I'm gonna make breakfast, so I don't know if anything I need is clean. But Heather's at work, so I can vlog at home without having to worry about getting her in it and making her mad. Heather's been using this, and now the handle's trying to come off. See the crack? She also stained it orange, trying to make some kind of chicken. Okay. What am I looking for? I got almond butter. Okay, so Sam's Club usually has the cheapest price in almond butter for like, how many ounces is this? I feel like it's 12 ounces at Sam's Club is like $5. That could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But this 28 ounce at Target was like $12. And I feel like it's really expensive. But however, other almond butters from other stores are like an ounce for like $8. So I feel like Target has the best price. If you ever need almond butter, definitely go to Target or Sam's Club. Actually, Sam's Club's been out, which is why I had to get it at Target. So almond flour pancakes. They're healthier than regular pancakes. You know, Walmart has stopped carrying the one I like, which has almond and coconut in it, which is really unfortunate. You gotta check the ingredients in this too, because there's something in this that I don't particularly like, but I don't want to drink milk, so my handy dandy whisk. Isn't it pretty? Like that. It's darker color on the camera. It's actually a lighter, like turquoise color in real life. All my little cheapy cup measures no longer have the number on them anymore. So yes, there's cat hair on everything. So this is why I don't cook for anybody, because look, you see that hair? I'm gonna end up with hair in my food one way or another. We have 5 cats and 4 dogs. There's really no way to avoid it in this shoebox of a house. I'm hot. It's 75 degrees in here, and I'm sweating. Also, get real vanilla. Don't get that extract or the fake stuff, because that's nasty. If you're gonna eat healthy, there's no point if you get artificial ingredients in all your healthy food. So like, you know, like no sugar added, or not no sugar added, but like no sugar. Like sugar-free stuff is really bad because it has aspartame and has high fructose. No, high fructose corn syrup is sugar. It's got all these additives to make it sugar-free, but also tastes good. So don't do that. Just if you're gonna have sugar, just have sugar. It's better than the artificial shit. At least your body knows how to process it. Okay, you can see me mixing. I don't know if you care about this at all, but teaspoon. Doing 1 teaspoon of sugar because we don't need that much sugar. Sugar's not great for you, so. I was even forgetting something because I usually put coconut sugar in it, but sugar is sugar, so. Okay. I think that's everything. I think so. Okay. Next. So it says a certain amount of milk, but I usually put about 3/4 cup because it's usually too much if you put like a whole cup. And then the egg adds more moisture to it, so it doesn't work. Ooh, I almost dropped my shit. Okay, stop. Okay, that didn't even work anyway. Listen, it's my driver's cooking show. I'm just trying to survive. And then I put a little bit of vanilla in it too, so just a splash. That was too much. Are my salt and pepper shakers adorable? They're little rabbits. Yeah, okay. Anyway. This is the only other container I have, so don't judge me how I'm doing this, okay? And then pour it in. Please do not drop my phone in there, pretty please. Okay, listen. I'm not good at this whole vlogging thing because I don't have a tripod for it. I have a tripod, but I lost the connector to my phone mount, so I don't know where that is. So I can't even use it for my phone, so. Let's test. I can smell the burner burning. I hate this stove, like, with a passion. It didn't sizzle, so I don't think the pan was hot enough. Oh well. It's also not level, so everything runs to one side in the pan. I'm gonna make more coffee. Come fly with me, fly with me. I rinse me. Lovely. Is it gonna focus? There it goes. Molly Bear. Oh, that's a pretty cat. Hi. Pretty boy. You want to focus on which I want you to be focused on camera. There it is. Pretty kitty. Wow. Hi. I have zero patience. It came out nice. Did it look nice on camera? Okay. I'll show you my plate when I'm done. I have to go change batteries. There's a lot going on outside right now. Also, I've been stirring this peanut butter for 10 minutes and it's still not completely stirred together. I was using a butter knife, so that might be the reason why. They took all the road out. It's just gone. And they're being loud. The front, hey, get back in there. I thought there's paint in this. Look at that. I better level that shit out, man. Hi, pooper. I gotta vacuum. Don't look at the floor. Just don't look at, just don't look at anything. You don't need to see any of this. Alright, back to stirring. Look at this video. How pretty that is. So pretty. Did I leave this video on repeat 100 times? Absolutely. It's also saved it to my favorites. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. Like a child. Okay. I have a banana. I'm gonna put this down. What do you think you're doing, cutie? Why are you in the kitchen? You're gonna get me in trouble. But I'm doing this recklessly. Usually I have one pancake ready, and then I'll put banana slices on it, and then I'll do the second pancake. But today I had trouble with the almond butter, so the banana will go on just to one. Put it on the sides and stuff too. So. Voila. Do y'all remember when in Jackrabbit I first moved in and all I had was the floor to sit on with my super pillow and my TV on the floor? We've moved up. So now we have a couch. The cats have torn the side out of it. And my TV is on boxes, but Heather got me for my birthday a Fire Stick. So now we can watch whatever we want anytime. Really moving up in the world. And now we're getting our own house. Isn't that awesome? So I'll probably watch Heartland. Been watching that on Netflix. But yeah, isn't that exciting? Got TV. Mowgli. Oh, pretty boy. Look at that baby. Can you believe it's already been 3 years since I moved to Texas? June of 2019 is when I first came here, and my God, I've been through so much. So excited now, 3 years later, we're buying our own house. We've got our cats. Grams is finally going to come down here this year. Gotta tell you guys about that. I'm going to fly down to Nevada. I'm gonna fly down and me and Grams are gonna drive up together. It's gonna be so great to finally have her here. She can, we just miss her so much, so it's gonna be really awesome. But 3 whole years, isn't that insane? I remember being up in Mansfield and not knowing how I was gonna get out of there. It's actually incredible how far I've come. I just sprayed that spot with bleach because one of the dogs decided to pee there. He's acting as if it's catnip. I did wipe it up. Don't worry, there's not a puddle of bleach there, but I don't know why he does this. Basil, what are you doing? Why is it not focusing? Tell it to focus. There it goes. Good boy. Did you get it in your eye? What are you doing? Hi, buddy. What are you doing, kitten? You playing in that? There's no way that smells good. There's Trooper. Hi, Trooper. Oh, let me zoom out. Hold on. Hello. Old man. You have really bad breath. Well, at least Basil's gonna be... Oh, that was a big yawn. Basil's gonna be squeaky clean. Cute boy, Basil. Hi, baby. I much prefer cats, I've realized. Oh, sweet boy. Hi, Badger. Oh, big oh. What a weirdo. There's Mowgli. Hi, Mowgli. What are you doing? You gonna go check him out? What are you doing, Mo? This might as well be a cat vlog. Wow, look at that point to your... Point those toes. Hi, Lexi Lou. I don't like how my camera's not focusing. What a freak. Bless you. So see these culverts here? Yeah. That runs onto the property and then there's another one down that way. Come on, we'll follow the wash. Okay. I'll buy your ointment. Did you lock your truck? My purse is in there. You should lock it before you get. There you go. Before you get out of range. Okay, so where is he gonna put the house? In this area here? Yeah. Like right off the road. Okay. I wanted to keep this tree though. This is a nice tree here.
We need to get spray paint and spray paint what you want. Well, he has to put down everything in the way.
Maybe you can have the driveway go. You can have the driveway to go to the left of it over here. This tree is dead. This tree is nice. This one right here. This one. That one's been like struck by lightning or something. No, this one's not. This one's nice too. And this big one. Well, this big one here.
Yeah, I would keep that.
I want to keep that one. And that big one there is nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It would shade it.
Yeah, and then. So I think if you put the. I think if you put the driveway. Right. The driveway where the sign is, if it came up this way, it wouldn't obstruct that tree. It looks like all these little trees can come out.
Yeah. Yeah, if you got like orange or something. Is that yours? That big one back there? Yeah. We have all the way to the
I think I just walked through poison ivy.
They're already aware. Somebody's been back here today.
Probably kids. I'm not breaking it down. Break it down. Okay. Okay. There's another nice tree over there. I'm waiting for Fallon, so I'm gonna let this go to the come smack her in the face.
Oh. Okay.
I was gonna try to make it back there a little farther, and see if the edge of the property line is marked. We only made it about this far last time. Yeah. Well, now it's dry though. So. And we told you this wasn't clear fountain. We gave you all the heads up that you needed.
Oh, it's close to my fingers. Move your ass.
Go, go, go.
Get going.
We're going back when we get home.
Maybe a cap star too. Just to be safe.
Go, dog, go. She's like, I got stuff and things to smell and messages to read. What?
I saw that too. I don't know what that is.
Where? Oh, it's like a cotton plant or something. Ow, that's a thorn? Something in here is thorny. You stop? You want to hop on my back? Are you sure? Have the cleared path, come on. I carry you until the cleared path? Probably should have changed. Step over like that? Of course she is. She's having a great time. She's eating. Wait, this is a nice tree too. This big one here. I feel like this is about as far as they'll clear, right? Look. I do want to see the back of the property line if we can. Heather, I think you're taking the hard way. I see grass. Looking this way. Nah, grass is dangerous. Don't go into the long grass. Okay. How much of this stuff is poison ivy? Probably all of it. This is where the water stands.
Yeah.
You can definitely tell that much. This is in the back of the property. There's no way this is the back of the property.
I don't know where a pig is.
I want to be able to, if we can see the... Maybe the edges of this would be easier to traverse. Why are you in pain? You said ow. Lovely. What is that tarp thing we found last time? Okay.